Hello everyone, today I'm showing you how to DIY a wooden ladder that costs only $10 to make. Let me show you the supply that we need. You will need 2 by 2 of the wood strip. It is about 8 feet long. It costs $1.98. I got it from Home Depot. This is the screw that I use and the sanding paper that I use. You're gonna use one of your wood strip right here to cut into 5 pieces. For the ladder rung, it is about 17 inches long for 5 pieces. These 2 pieces, we're gonna use it as the ladder rail. Each piece we're gonna cut into 65 inches long. All the pieces, it's time to sand. After finish sanding, now you're gonna assemble. You're gonna place your ladder rung about 5 inches from the top. Screw it to make the hole. Now that you're done with assemble, so next step, we're gonna stain. Okay, here's the finished look after I stain it. The stain is dry after 24 hours. This wooden ladder can be used to hang blankets or towels, or can be used for outdoor to hang plants. I hope you can try this at home. It is really easy to make. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you.